All right, guys and gals, good afternoon by the time you're getting this. Hope you had a great 3-day weekend. Futures are green right now. They've been up all night. They're going to be closing here soon this morning. But S&P's up 30-ish and Nasdaq up 78. So depending on how the close goes and reopening tonight, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Um, we are Tuesday. Eh, not a lot of reporting there. So could be a reasonably green day tomorrow. That being said, I'm still taking it easy to the downside. So we're at a spot that's a little hard to pinpoint a bottom, or if this is just short-term rally on some of the stocks. So playing it safe, looking at just 3 stocks this week, one for each direction, up, down, and sideways. So first one that we're looking at here is going to be Amazon. Now I like Amazon to the downside. You can see there's kind of a triple bottom here. What I'm looking for on Amazon is it to break this current low. The 2-year low, it's a strong support level. I would like to see it break or reject, the 8 EMA here and come back down, retest the support and break through. Okay. So a undefined play, I like the 123s. It's not quite up here at resistance where I'd want to be, but it is far enough that I'm happy with that. You got the 8 EMA, you got a little bit of gap fill, you got the 21, then you got gap fill again, then you got the 50-day, right kind of where 123 is. So there's a lot of resistance to the upside. Okay, and then the defined risk is going to be right around this 115 line, which does get you above the 21-day. And, like I said, you got a couple levels of resistance there as well. So when we go take a look at Amazon, we're going to be looking at July 22nd here. So the defined risk play is going to be the 115, 120, right? Good 76 pop, $1.15 or so in credit. You get 10 short deltas, and then, like I said, you are defined risk on this one. Now, if you're going to do the naked play, I would go well past that expected move all the way down here to the 123s. As you can see, that is 3, 4, about $5 past the expected move. You get $1 or better on this one with an 87 pop and about 14 and a half short deltas, all for about $1,000. So not too bad there, okay? All right. The next one is going to be Baba. Okay. Baba, starting to see the Chinese stocks turn around here a little bit. I like that we're now actually stacked completely bullish other than the 200-day. It had a huge gap up on Friday and then pulled completely back and filled the gap. If it can hold the 21-day moving average here, I would like to take Baba long, looking for this bounce off the 21 and returning back up. So looking at Baba here with a 90 put spread. Okay. And that's going to get you down below reasonable support levels. You got 1, 2, you got a little bit of gap fill, 3, and then you're there. Okay, so bounce, rejection, bounce, and rally back up. So this will be August monthly here, 60 days out. It's too short for the July, and it's not that liquid in the weeklies. So looking at the 90, 85 put spread, you get it for $1.50, $1.55 or better. 62 pop, it is a little low, but not bad. You got your 1/3 the width, right at a 30 delta, so it works. Now, if you want to try to get $1.30, then the 85/80s would be a lot better, and you get a 68 pop. But it's only $1.25. I prefer a minimum of $1.30. And just to look and take a glance here, a little expensive, but you could sell a 65 naked put where you get about $1.30-ish or so for $1,300, so it falls right in line with that 10%, and it gives you a 91 pop, so like really good odds. You're what, $10-12 past expected move, and when you look at that, the 65 is going to put you below the 2-year low. Okay, so that's not bad either if you want to go naked with it, if you got the higher buying power. Okay. Definitely a lot bit more room on this one. The next one is going to be Netflix for a sideways play. Still just channeling in here, not doing a whole lot. So I just want to sell like a 215 call spread up past current resistant level here, and then sell a 140 put spread, $22 past the 2-year low. Okay. So when you look at Netflix, it's also a weekly, July 22nd. Okay. And sorry, July 22nd, it'd be the 140, 135 puts right past the expected move, and then the 215, 220 calls. You can get like $1.45, maybe $1.40. Hard to tell. It's not the most liquid stock right now. And 66 pop, really good for an iron condor. Pretty much neutral, slightly short, 140 bucks for 360. Okay. This actually also isn't too bad, and that's the 220s. Actually, I'm gonna change it. Yeah, I'm gonna go with 220 here. You can get $1.30 or better on this one. Okay, 220, 240 leans you pretty much neutral and gets you that 68 pop. A lot better there on that one. So that's gonna be it, you guys. Just those three. Still kind of playing it cautious here. Trade small, trade often. Let's make some money this week. Take care, everybody. Hope to see you in chat.